A massive immigration raid at Hyundai's $4.3 billion EV battery site in Georgia has shocked the world, and now Donald Trump himself is weighing in. Nearly 475 workers were detained in what officials are calling one of the largest immigration raids in U.S. history. Homeland Security, IC, FBI, and other federal agencies stormed the Hyundai LG construction facility near Savannah, placing workers in handcuffs and ankle chains and loading them onto buses. About 300 of those detained are South Korean nationals, and their government has already said it will fly them home, calling the raid a serious issue that strains U.S.-Korea relations. Construction on the plant is now frozen, although Hyundai confirmed vehicle production remains unaffected. Trump reacted on Truth Social, warning foreign companies to respect immigration laws and to hire and train American workers if they want to invest in the U.S. He also told reporters that this incident has not damaged his ties with South Korea, even as videos of stunned workers in safety vests being restrained by agents spread worldwide. For Indian, Korean, and other foreign nationals, this sends a strong message. Check your visa status, know your rights, and be ready for sudden enforcement. For companies, the message is even clearer: tighten compliance or risk massive operational disruption. With ICE arrests in Georgia already up more than 367% this year, this raid marks the start of a new wave of tough enforcement. If you believe worker protections matter, type "Protect Workers" in the comments and subscribe to Immigration Talk Show for the latest updates.